Hi, everybody. Welcome to Toronto Weather TV. And right now, we are looking at the London area radar. And as you can see, we have quite a bit of thunderstorm activity that's developed from right along the Michigan border across southern Lake Huron, and then across, let's see, east of Port Elgin area up into Georgian Bay now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to animate. Yep, so we can see how that thunderstorm activity has been moving in to the borders of southwestern Ontario. Okay, so we're going to stop the animation. We're going to look at our velocity. And actually, we're going to go into Detroit area radar also. Okay, so we can see that the heaviest storm is just east of Tara and southwest of Owen Sound. Yeah, so when we go into the 3D mode, you can definitely see that cell compared to the others. So we might have a pretty good cell developing to the south too. Oh no, that's just false signatures from the radar. Okay, so if we actually go into the Toronto radar, you'll be able to see what that looks like from our radar. And you notice there's quite a temperature spread, like in the Toronto area. The temperatures are in the 50s, but off to the west, the temperatures are in the 70s. So there's quite a temperature difference, and a lot of that is because of the influence of Lake Ontario on the weather along the northern northwestern shore of Lake Ontario. The lake breeze has been keeping the Toronto area quite a bit cooler than the rest of southern and southwestern Ontario. So you'll see from the Toronto radar how the approach of these storms looks. And due to the weather over the Toronto area, I would expect that these storms will not be very strong when they hit the Toronto area. if they can even maintain their organization as far as Toronto. Now we're going to go off to the MRMS. I want to take a look into the US, see what's going on. Let's see. Looks like the worst storm is this one here. So we're going to just take a look at that. Oh, there's some circulation in the southwestern sector of that storm. This one bears some watching. The area I'm concerned about is right here. Okay, so cluster of 3 severe thunderstorms. Ping pong ball size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds. And it's moving northeast about 15 miles an hour. So these are pretty slow moving storms. And we see the storms actually blew up right over that area. And I'm definitely concerned about that southwestern section of the storm. That looks like the center of rotation. So that would be just north of, what is that, Interstate 10? Yeah, it's just north of Interstate 10. Yeah, based on the trajectory, I doubt if a tornado develops, it'll probably stay just north of the Interstate 10. I don't think it would actually cross the interstate, at least I hope not, because tornadoes crossing interstates is not very nice. Yeah, based on this radar information, it's not enough to confirm a tornado yet. Some circulation possibly, but it's not tight enough to be a tornado yet. Yep, so we'll just keep an eye on that. Actually, there's a 2% chance of tornadoes in that area today. Oh, looks like we've got a flash flood warning around the Sherman, Texas area, just south of the Red River. So just south of the Oklahoma border. Yeah, we can see that a couple waves of storms have moved through the Sherman area. That's not surprising that they're under a flash flood situation. They probably had a decent amount of rain dumped on them during those storms. Want to get a better look at the storm northwest of Sanderson. There we go. Yeah, definitely some powerful thunderstorms over western Texas. Yeah, you can see how quickly those blew up. They just exploded. Okay, we're going to switch back over to the San Angelo radar station so we can look at this cell. We'll look at this one again. Okay, let's go back over to Toronto area. Since this is Toronto Weather TV, now let's just go back into the London area radar so we can take a look at how these storms are progressing. Yep, they're marching across the area. It'll still be a while before they move into the Toronto area, if they even hold the organization that long. The atmosphere over the GTA didn't really heat up enough to destabilize much. I see west of the Toronto area, it's much, much warmer. Oh, yeah, you can see on the southwest shore, it's low to mid 40s, so it's even cooler there. But you go to the North Shore of Lake Erie, it's quite a bit warmer. Yep, you cross over into New York State's in the mid 70s. So we have quite a temperature spread. There's a severe thunderstorm warning in Oklahoma. I want to take a look at that. It doesn't look too bad. Yep, those are some healthy thunderstorms. This will show us how much rain it's been dropping. Yep, we can see the greatest concentration of rain has been right in this area here, and also over here. Next, let's switch back over to Sherman, Texas. Oh yeah, we can see why they got the flash flood warning. Because of that right there. Pretty heavy rain there too. Let's go back up to Ontario. to London. Oops. Yep, so that's still a ways away. So for people living in the GTA, don't be surprised if we get some rain, maybe a bit of thunder in a few hours. It shouldn't be that bad though because our temperatures did not get very high today. All right, so I'm going to end this broadcast for now since there's nothing really threatening for the Toronto area. So everybody have a very good night, and we'll see you next time we have a broadcast here on Toronto Weather TV. Have a great night, everybody.